You can easily generate out snow by using Real Snow add-on inside of Blender. So to do that, I'm just going to delete out this default object right here. And I'm going to press Shift A on my keyboard, and then I'm going to go around over here in Mesh. Let me bring in Torus right here. Let me just go around and bring in another mesh over here as well, and bring in a sphere. So let me just drag this onto the side right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in Real Snow add-on right here. And to do that, first of all, I need to go around into Edit, go to Preferences. In add-on, I'm just going to go around and search for snow. So object Real Snow, this will be turned off by default, so you need to turn this on. So once you do that, you can select out the object, and now I'm just going to go around into the viewport shading mode right here, and then shade these object out smooth so it looks smooth. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around into this option right here, and in Real Snow you can see you can select out the coverage, which is going to be a certain level of percentage, and you can go around with the height of the snow as well. So you can also apply the snow in selected faces if you want to. But here what I'm simply going to do is click on Add Snow, and you can see snow has been added on top of the object. You can go around, increase out the height, click on Add Snow, and there's snow on top of snow, as you can see right here. So you can just go around and layer that out as well, and this is how it looks, as you can see. So you can see that the object is there and the snow is there as well. So you can go around, shade out the object according to how you like it. So I'm just going to go around right here, add in the material right here. So I'm just going to go around right here and then change out the base color just like this. So you can see that that is how it looks. I'm just going to go around right here onto the material, add a new material right here, change out the material as well. For the snow, you can go around and select out color as well. So you can see that these are individual pieces of snow right here, and there you go. So you can see that according to the object, the snow is there. So just like this. It's easy to make the ice cream cone snow like this as well, as you can see. So that is how you can work around with snow right here. So you can see that this is how it looks right here. It's all textures right here. So that is how you can generate out snow inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.